Denim. It's incredible. A product that was created in 1850 is still the most popular product owned by everybody today. Everyone wears it. It's luxury. It's high-fashioned. It's mass. It's the most democratic product in the world. Everyone has a pair. For some people, it's not just a pair of pants, it's an expression. Made by Square represents elegance, luxury, and quality details. Today, it's also representing green, sustainability, and more eco-friendly. Since the very beginning, Square Denim's doing their production, keeping the environment safe. It's a unique legacy of love, creating by inspiration from nature and respecting it. Square Denims Ltd, located in the northeastern part of Bangladesh at Hobbyganj, having state-of-the-art technology and a wide production range of denim fabrics, which makes Square Denims one of the innovative fabric producers in Bangladesh. To aim for the perfect blue, you need perfection and creation, and that's the goal of Square Denim. From the very beginning, we are doing it naturally, with a touch of heritage. The denim fabric production process of Square Denim is mainly 4 steps, which is spinning, dyeing, weaving, and finishing. Spinning is a process of making cotton into yarn, which starts with the cotton warehouse, that is where we source different fibers from different regions. Our process starts with the cotton before the yarn is even in the picture. We mix this variety of fibers according to a special blend recipe, in an attempt to the accurate raw material that needs specific properties. We aim to use quality cotton in the spinning process to achieve high-quality yarn. First, we mix the cotton, remove the dust, align the fiber, integrate the quality evenly. Then we repeat stretching and twisting to adjust the described yarn size. This is how spinning works. Dyed, we take them to the weaving section. In the weaving unit, where they meet with the weft, we have to combine the warp and weft with our modern air jet or rapier weaving machine, which is capable of producing wider width fabrics that give an advantage of the garments making process. Having state-of-the-art technology and a wide production range of denim fabrics makes Square Denim one of the most innovative fabric producers. Once the fabric weaving is finished, we go for finishing. The finishing unit is where we improve the properties, hand feel and appearance of the fabric by applying physical, mechanical and chemical processes. In the finishing phase, the fabric is given its final properties. This is what defines the fabric's hand feel, soft or rough. It's also the place where warp and weft shrinkage values are mechanically adjusted. Our finishing unit is well equipped with state-of-the-art mercerizing, coating, overdying, calendering and other machinery. In the quality control unit, we perform our work with three main control mechanisms: physical test, visual inspection, and shade adjustment. Once the fabric is finished instantly, we go for visual inspection and then go for the second part, which is lab test, where we test fabric elongation, growth, color fastness, and many more other technical aspects of the fabric. All of this information is then shared with our customers. Once it's been tested and the fabric is approved, it's ready to be shipped. We cut the fabric rolls into merges of 150 meters, and then it's ready to be sent to the manufacturer. Would you believe it if we say your favorite denim is actually green? At Square Denim, it's definitely green. Every denim fabric starts with green, but when kissed by air, it turns blue. That's loved all over the world, and that is how denim is manufactured by Square. So, what else is green? The way we manufacture our denim, it's green. With a sustainable business strategy, we are operating our denim production more planet-friendly. Each activity has been carefully thought over to ensure environmental sustainability, to discharge conservation of natural resources, waste reduction, and lower pollution. Using the biological diffuser, assisting with minimum chemical doses, we recover more than 90% water and leave behind less solid waste. We are driven by a futurist vision of being a self-sufficient industry. Our energy dependency is extremely low in comparison to our establishment is designed to harvest the best of a natural resource. Most of our processing units are fulfilled with fully automated heat and energy recovery systems. These enable us to rescue the heat steam or energy animate by the unit. Green is the color of life, so does the denim. We make green denim for a sustainable future. And the future is now. We are strongly committed to our customers to be compliant and responsible in doing business. Business of Denim inspires fashion and freedom of the generations living in a world of oneness. Denim is our passion. Our innovation and originality are devoted to create a name in the world that's belong to the Denim Nation.